This is a really special moment for esports in the UK. As a British company, it's been a huge privilege to design and manufacture this trophy. It really recognises how important the fans are to Riot Games and UKLC.
The initial brief was to take the UKLC logo, make it look like it's erupting out of the ground. Let's find some concept art of Lysandra, let's find some rock concept art, let's mash them together, see what we can come up with. Play around with it, come up with some ideas, how to design the rocks, how to design the tower to make it look right. And I take them to the production team and they say whether we can make it or not, whether it's manufacturable, and we come up with better ideas of how it can be made.
When we get the designs, we start by taking our 3D models, we model them up, program all the individual pieces, we work out billet sizes, start cutting the billets, set our machine, we do a dry run, proof everything out, and when we're happy, we start running.
On this occasion, some of the parts are polished and sandblasted.
Well, I chose to do sandblasted and polished pieces because of the two-tone logo that the UKLC use, and I like the idea of it, that if you look at it from a certain angle, it literally is their logo.
The trophy is made out of 33 individual parts plus the base. It equated to 96 hours worth of machining, and they were all machined individually here at Stratford. This is the longest we spent on one particular trophy. We spent roughly 2 weeks on the large trophy, compared to other jobs where we can machine hundreds of trophies over numerous weeks. This was 2 weeks on a particular trophy. It was amazing.
After the parts are manufactured, the trophy gets assembled by hand, and it's at this stage that everything gets checked to make sure it's absolutely perfect.
It's going to be weighty, but it deserves a weight because it's a big trophy and it's really smart, so you don't want it to be lightweight and flimsy, you want it to be good, solid, sturdy trophy.
What we've got represented to give to the UKLC for them to see, I'm really, really chuffed with. I'm so happy to be a part of it.
This is a really special trophy. Not only does it look good, but it's fantastic to hold as well. The games all around the UK are going to be really proud to win this, and makes us proud as well. And the fans are going to absolutely love this trophy.